on a sunny day, two birthday boys turned 6 and we shouted hooray. With a big bounce house and party crew, all the kindergarten friends from school came too. Block by block we build and play, happy Minecraft birthday day. With plastic swords and gems to find, we had the best adventure time. Creeper faces on the wall, pixel pics and signs so tall, purple portals to walk through, everything is made just for you. Homemade pizza, cupcakes and party treats, running around with speedy feet, finding those gems with giggles and grins, trading treasures with our friends. 6 years old and growing fast, building memories that will last. Level up, you're brave and strong, so we sing your birthday song. Block by block we build and play, happy Minecraft birthday day. With plastic swords and gems to find, you're 6 years old, one of a kind. Thanks to the friends who joined in the fun, we couldn't have had a better day in the sun. Grab your sword and your bricks, let's keep on crafting and make it quick.